Hello! Today we're reading a book about birds by Jill McDonald. Birds are all around us, soaring in the sky, singing in the trees, hopping on the ground. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster starts the day with his loud call. A rooster is a male chicken. A female chicken is called a hen. Peck, 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 peck. This noisy woodpecker is looking for food inside a tree trunk. A woodpecker's beak is strong and pointy. A duck swims on the pond with her babies. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Quack, 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 quack. A baby duck is called a duckling. Honk, honk. Pigeons like to live in the loud city. Pigeons often build nests on window ledges and bridges. But flamingos love to flock quietly together near the water. Flamingos often stand on one leg. What do you see in the treetops of the warm jungle? It's a toucan with a bright rainbow beak. Toucans make their nests in hollowed out trees. Brr, 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 brr. Penguins live in the cold. They can't fly, but they love to swim. The penguin can swim faster than any other bird. Ostriches also cannot fly, but they can run, run, run. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. The hummingbird may be tiny, but it flies fast, forward and backward. They are called hummingbirds because their fast wings make a humming noise. Peacocks have beautiful colored tail feathers. What colors do you see? Only male peacocks have bright tails. Whoo, whoo! An owl sleeps all day and stays awake all night. Good night, owl. Owls can see in the dark. And that's the story of birds. Thank you for staying with me to read this book. I hope you had fun. If you would like to color some pages of birds, check out the description below for a link to a free PDF. Also in the description below, learn how you can be part of my teaching here online and in Southeast Asia. Until next time, see you soon.